In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve or fix if Windows updates are not working on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for troubleshoot. Best result should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right panel, select additional troubleshooters, and then underneath get up and running, select Windows Update and run the troubleshooter for that. And give that a moment. And then hopefully it would be able to identify the problem and resolve it. Otherwise, you can also view detailed information and see what was checked for or what is working properly. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.